And this poor little black-headed oriole male is seeing himself over and over and again in the car's reflection, either in the mirror or in the window, and he is having an epic battle. This has been going on for, well, about at least 20 minutes now, and he's not giving up. He's calling and he's fighting. He's attacking the intruder here in his territory. It's amazing, but look at how beautiful he is. Now, I don't know why it's called a black-headed oriole. If you can see, the most prominent feature of this beautiful bird is that red eye, the yellow on the back, yellow streaking in the wings. Oops, let's see if we can get a little bit of a better shot. He sits down, there we go. He's so active. Hopefully he's going to come back. Where is he? And there he goes. Fantastic, eh? And in the garden again today, look at the thrush here on the lawn. So lots and lots of bird life. Sorry for all of the bars and things here. Oriole's still going up. There he is, he's back. Just as you think he left, he's back again. Oh, poor guy. Well, just a short little video clip. Just wanted to show you guys that even though I am in the city, there's a lot of wildlife here. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more wildlife videos, even if it's from my garden. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye for now.